Be a man of destiny and attend the Iron Sharpens Iron Men's Conference, hosted by Bishop Wiley Tomlinson, Senior Pastor and co-founder of New Covenant Ministries. Special guest speakers include Bishop Vaughn McLaughlin, Senior Pastor of the Potter's House International Fellowship, and Reverend Rick Baldwin of Wildwood Baptist Church. Saturday, August 6th from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Enjoy the Muscle and Antique Car Show. Experience dynamic music of worship and praise by Pastor Luke Shumpert. And to conquer your appetite, barbecue food trucks will be on site. Come and hear from New England Patriots Super Bowl champion Gus Scott, along with Seattle Seahawks Gerard Ross, as they share their testimonies and sign autographs. It's time for the men of God to come together and create an atmosphere through the power of God at this powerful rally. It's the Iron Sharpens Iron Men's Conference, hosted by Bishop Wiley Tomlinson at New Covenant Ministries, 2360 St. John's Bluff Road South. Saturday, August 6th from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. For more information, call 904-641-7600, 904-641-7600, or log on to www.ncmjax.org. Fathers, bring your sons to the Iron Sharpens Iron Men's Conference.